This is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker AXXA or X Group. So I got a request on another video. Somebody commented and asked me to do some analysis on this stock. So I pulled up their chart, and I definitely don't like the chart. It's just kind of a slow bleed out here. So I started to take a look at some of their financials, and they did release something late last year in November. Just showing some information here from September of 2022, and it's just showing a good increase here in quarterly revenue. So comparing September 2021 to September 2022, we have this increase of 17.5% increase in quarterly revenue. We've got 108.8% increase here in income, and then we've got assets increasing 1.4% and shareholder equity increasing 4.5%. So I was looking, usually you can go in Yahoo Finance and take a quick look at the financials and figure out what's going on, but this information is actually dated back to 2020. So the most recent quarter here in Yahoo Finance is 2020, and it shows them at a book value per share of 2 cents. That's kind of outdated, so I started to look at this more up-to-date information here, and I did a quick calculation, so they're showing as far as the stock price goes and the market cap. So they're showing a market cap of 4.82 million. So kind of looking at their current stock price of 0.0029 and that market cap of 4.82 million, I figured out that they must have about 1.6 billion shares outstanding. And because when I did an actual Google search for that, it's all over the place. Like Bloomberg has them at 398 million shares outstanding, which is incorrect. That doesn't add up to that market cap they're showing there. And then Yahoo Finance has them at 966 million, which I think is a little closer to the actual number of outstanding shares. And then there was one other website down here, which was pretty bogus too. Barron's shows them at 61.4 million outstanding. So it's, the numbers are all over the place. I had to kind of do the calculation myself. And I kind of figured that they were sitting at about, based on that September 2022 information, I see them at about 10 cents a share is the book value per share based on that data from September 2022. So I know it's kind of old, but based on that latest financials information or earnings information, you can kind of see that they're about 10 cents a share. So, honestly, based on the current share price, they're undervalued. If you look at the book value per share, it's trading well below that 10 cent mark. So I do believe, they are undervalued as long as they keep, increasing revenue, income, shareholder equity. There was another story in here that they had released, so they don't really have any filings here with FINRA or anything. The OTC doesn't have to file with the SEC, although sometimes they do. So I think as long as they continue to produce these increases year over year, if they can continue to increase revenue, income, assets, and shareholders' equity, I think they're going to be fine. They seem to be at a discount right now. With that being said, I'm not going to buy this company. I don't buy penny stocks and hold them long term. I also don't buy penny stocks and try to get in on these short squeezes like we see a lot of people doing. It's just not my style, but I did want to do the analysis and just kind of tell you really what I think technically and fundamentally about this company. So I'll continue to keep you updated here on ticker AXXA or X Group. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.